Namaste everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be seeing how to drape a saree as a dhoti. A lot of you have asked me to make a tutorial on this and here I am doing it for you guys. If you have not subscribed our channel, please do. Let's get started. My mom loves this saree and even I love it too. So I have used this saree in many of my videos. In the saree they do this, I don't know what it's called, I'm really sorry. The side comes down so that the saree doesn't get spoiled when you're moving around wearing the saree. So it generally touches the floor, right? Make the saree to equal halves. Okay. Take the two ends, hold it together so that it is the equal half. Pull it so that the saree is in the center. Now the saree is in the center. So this side goes to the back. So what you have to do is pull a little extra towards the right. We have the right one long and the left one goes behind. Tie a nice knot. Make sure it is tight because you don't want any malfunction. So now take the left end, not the length, take the breadth and pleat it. Pleat, pleat, pleat. Pleat it. Take the help of your mother or sister if you don't know to pleat. It is not as difficult as it looks. You just need a little practice, that's it. We have pleated it. I'm just showing it roughly. Otherwise I just iron it or something to keep it tight. Take it through like this and tuck it in at the back. Yeah. Take the right end, not the length. Take the breadth and pleat it. Since it's quite long, it may be a little difficult for you to pleat because in dhoti it's a little short. So you can at least somehow manage to pleat, but this is quite long because one side we have taken longer, right? So once the pleating is done, we are ready here. You just have to take it like this, hold it, but until you learn it's difficult. Once you learn, it is really easy, I tell you. So this portion has to go inside. Take it like this, put it inside, it has to go from, and once you put it in, you just have to pull it out like this, pull it out, so that this is, the left and the right length has to be same. Now we have this much length here, so what you have to do is, hold it, that has to be the length, so tuck in this extra part inside. The length at the bottom you can adjust however you want, and yep, we are ready. Okay. And this is how it looks at the back, and this is how it looks at the front. If you do not have a dhoti at home, you can try this with your wife's saree, your mother's saree, your sister's saree. Since it has more work, it will look nice as well. Depends on how you are styling it. Very simple, very neat, and it is quite flexible as well. I hope this video has helped you guys. And if yes, please do like and share and comment. And also if you have not subscribed our channel, please do. So comment below what you want to see in the next video. I will definitely make a video on it. And also if you have not watched, I have uploaded step-by-step tutorials of the dhotis. Two styles basically. Go and watch it now and please do subscribe. See you in the next video. Jai Shri Ram.